check out time. So after the best part of a whole month in Vietnam, we'd left Da Nang, we'd gone to the airport, got on the plane. It's less than a 2-hour flight through to Bangkok, and as soon as we hit Bangkok, see that smile? That's because we're in the land of smiles. We're in Thailand right now. We got a Bolt or a Grab, I can't remember which one, but make sure if you're coming to Thailand to download the Grab and the Bolt app, because you'll be using those taxis all the time. They're better than normal taxis. We went straight to Chinatown. So we are in Bangkok and we're in Chinatown. We're going to stay here for a night or two, and we'll show you this place when it lights up, because it lights up and it just will be street food everywhere, street food madness. So we'll see you later on for dinner. Right now we're starving. We just got off the plane and in from the airport, and we're heading to looking for a tom yum or something. We need food and a Thai tea, and that's what we're hunting right now. Thai tea first?
Thai tea.
Thai tea. We just went out and got Thai tea and some coffee and had a bit of a snack. Pratanum, and this is the famous one where they have the best Thai tea and stuff. So, alright. Colour of the Thai tea, it's real orange colour. Now I got a coffee, but it's just full of ice. I wanted a hot coffee, you got an iced coffee. But anyway, then the breaks. So what are we going to do? I'm going to go somewhere and drink my coffee and sit down.
My Hainan chicken.
Where? Alright, let's go. We're hunting Hainan chicken.
Hainan chicken.
Hainanese chicken. Yeah.
Two. You want to?
Alright, so we're going to get the Hainan chicken. We come here all the time. It's just a little tiny local restaurant. You also get like a bowl of soup and some hot spicy chilli.
Hainan chicken. This is my favorite one.
Hainanese chicken is more or less Singapore chicken, eh? So that's it. Let's check that out. It's very cheap. How much is it?
60 baht.
60 bahts. It's like $3. You get the rice. And it's what type of rice is it?
They use herbs.
Yeah, it's like a herbal rice, not just plain rice. Really good. And you get the chicken, a bit of coriander on top, and the crunchy chicken and the steamed chicken. Good stuff. So after the Hainan chicken, we went back to the hotel and just relaxed. We went out that night to find some dinner. And we found the best tom yum and pad thai. We did a whole video just on the tom yum and pad thai. You've got to check this out. It is absolutely the best food that we've ever had in Bangkok. I've done a whole video on this. It'll either be in the end screen, or I'll leave the link in the description of the video, or it'll be coming out next week. I'm not sure whether it's out yet, that video, but we did a whole video just on the tom yum and pad thai. You've got to check this out. It is absolutely the best food that we've ever had in Bangkok. And then we went looking around the markets. Now around Chinatown there is little streets and alleyways that just go and go and go and never stop going. There is markets everywhere there, everywhere you go, and it's really good for shopping. So if you're in Chinatown, don't just stay around that main street. Have a wander around some of the little side streets and you'll find these markets. They're everywhere. They're up every street, and they just go for like, they just go and go and go and go and just don't stop. There's such good deals there and such good things to buy. Anyway, and then later that night I went out to a creator meetup with some of the biggest YouTubers in Thailand, and it was promoting these translator devices where you can speak to in any language and it translates back to you. It was held by Johnny, There Is Something Happening. There were some really famous Thailand YouTubers there like Keys One, Live Love Thailand, Travis and Johnny, There Is Something Happening, and his girlfriend Som. She's got her own cooking channel. And yeah, it was a good night. I ended up going into Nana Plaza with this guy, having a few beers, then going home and relaxing for the night. So the next morning we didn't have to book out from Chinatown, the Royal Hotel, until about lunchtime. So we went checking out some of the markets. Now, if you get off Yarra Road in Chinatown and just go through these alleyways, there's marketplaces that just go and go and go forever. There's every single thing you can think of. You've got to stay away from their main tourist roads and get out into the back streets. And yeah, there's some great deals out there. So these are little things.
Pandora.
She's got a website where she sells all the dresses and all that she makes in Indonesia. She spotted these little bracelets. She wants to buy them and a bunch of them and sell them. They're in a little box. They're only about $1 each. Yeah, she can sell them for $5 in Indo. So anyway, that's the go. Okay, so this is the best time to shop for sure. So you can see it's just 9 o'clock in the morning. Everything is small. It's just opening and starting. And there's hardly anyone here. Yesterday we were down there in the afternoon. You couldn't even walk through here. There was just thousands of people bustling through and pushing and shoving. So you're going to shop in these little markets all around Chinatown, all the streets. This is the time to do it, early in the morning. Is that a tool shop? Oh my God, it's a tool shop in the middle of the market. Well, I could spend an hour in there while you go shopping. Definitely. But we've got to get back to the hotel. We're moving areas. We're moving into Pratanum, right in the middle of town, sort of close to the Sukhumvit area. So we're checking out of here today. Okay, so you can just see how quiet it is. Look, there's no one up here. But in the afternoon, this is that busy. You can't. And there's motorbikes and people. You can't even walk. So anyway, we are completely lost. And there's no use getting your compass out of here because I don't know which way is north and south and east and west anyway. So the old Google Maps might just have to get us out of here. We're lost. Okay, get back out of the shopping centre onto the footpath again in the streets. I can feel my blood pressure just lowering back to normal again. So good out here. Don't you reckon, darling? Well, out there. So we went shopping till lunchtime, checked out, and then headed into the Pratanum Market Area where we stayed a night before we were heading down to Pattaya. So after shopping all morning, we checked out of the Royal Hotel in Chinatown and headed off into town to the Pratanum area around Pratanum Markets. We're more or less staying right next door to the Bioki Towers, right in the middle of the Pratanum Markets. Now this is the best markets if you want to buy clothes or anything like that. They sell bulk stuff and it's a lot cheaper than anywhere. It's a very good market to do your shopping. You can do everything in one hit here. After that we headed off and found this nice little like homestay thing, Indian homestay, and they had a great restaurant in the back. We had awesome food there. Okay, so we got a chicken biryani. Look at it, it's in a big pot. Looks really good. And this is what this is, a relish. Like relish?
Chutney, yeah.
Oh, like a chutney. This is probably yogurty sort of stuff.
Right, salad dressing.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Okay, we try.
Like chicken biryani, and you get a lot of big pieces of chicken through it as well. So it's a big pot. It's about 180 baht, probably about $7 for both of us. Then went back, relaxed for the night, got up early the next morning, got a grab taxi and ready to head off down to Pattaya. And that concludes our 72 hours in Bangkok before we head down to Pattaya. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.